How to remove double tick on WhatsApp messages. So here is a simple guide if you want to remove or hide the double tick on WhatsApp message so people won't know if their message was delivered. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Now, what you have to do is turn off internet before opening message. When you receive a message, turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open WhatsApp and read the message offline. You can close WhatsApp completely before turning the internet back on. The sender will see one gray tick until you go online again. So the same idea, you can also turn on airplane mode before opening WhatsApp and read the message offline. So some unofficial WhatsApp app like GB WhatsApp allow you to freeze last seen and hide double ticks, but these are unsafe and can ban your account, so official WhatsApp is safer. Or you can simply go and block the person and read the text, then again unblock them. You cannot officially remove the gray double tick on real WhatsApp. You can only control the blue tick read receipt. So this is all the workaround for how to do so. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.